Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can turn on or enable two-step verification for your Gmail account. So without wasting a minute more, let's jump into the video. Alright, to enable two-step verification for your Gmail account using the Gmail app, you have to open the Gmail app first, and then you have to tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Now from here you have to select the icon for which you want to enable your two-step verification if you have added more than one account. Alright, so here I'm gonna press manage your Google account for this account. If you want to select any other account, you can do that first, and then you have to press this option manage your Google account. From here you have to scroll towards left these categories at the top, and then you have to press security. Now here you will get all the options related to security like your password. From here you can change your password, you can use your phone to sign in, or you can turn on two-step verification. You can also get a one-time code to verify that it is you. Alright, so to turn on two-step verification, press on this option right here, and now here you will get all the information regarding two-step verification, so you can protect your account, add an extra layer of security and keep the bad guys out. So when you enable two-step verification for your Gmail account, it will add a extra layer of security. So when you will log in to your Gmail account on any new device, you will have to enter your password first, and then you have to enter a code that you will receive on your phone number to log into your Gmail account. Alright, without that code you won't be allowed to use your Gmail account on any new device or a browser. So make sure you have access to your phone number, whatever phone number you are going to use right now. So now press get started, and now first of all you have to enter your Gmail account password. Once you have done that, press next, and if you want you can save your password, so I'm gonna press never. Now as you can see, it is also showing my phone device, so you have to use your phone as your second step to sign in. Alright, so after you enter your password, Google prompts are securely sent to every phone where you are signed in. Just tap the notification to review and sign in. Alright, so you will need your phone device, then press continue. Now here you have to add your backup option like your phone number. Alright, so yeah, enter your phone number, and then you have to select how you want to get codes, via text message or phone call. So my phone number is already mentioned here, that is linked to my Gmail account. I just have to select the option that I want to go with to receive the code, so I'm gonna select text message. If you want, you can also use another backup option. So if you will press that, it will give you some backup codes so that you will always have access to your account even if you are not connected to internet. Alright, so these codes can be entered in case you are not receiving the two-step verification code from Gmail. So you can get the printout of these codes, or you can just download them. And if you want to use your phone number, so you can do that, use backup number instead. So yeah, after entering your number and selecting the option to get the code, press send. So Google just sent a text message with a verification code to my phone number, and I have to enter that code right here. So let's see, when I receive the code, then I will enter that right here. So it can take some time for you to receive the code, and if you are not getting the code for 5 or 10 minutes, you can just press this button resend right here. So here is the code that I have received. Now press next. So as you can see, my two-step verification has been enabled. So it's written that my backup option is voice or text message, and the second step is Google prompt. So you will stay signed into this Gmail address on these devices. So it is showing my mobile device, you will see your mobile device. Wherever you are signed in, it can be one or it can be more than one as well. Alright, so yeah, turn it on, press turn on. So yeah, it is showing the date. Two-step verification is on since 3rd August 2021. Alright, it is also showing the available second steps Google prompts and voice or text message. If you want, you can also add backup codes, authenticator app to be more secure. Alright, so these printable one-off passcodes allow you to sign in when away from your phone, like when you are traveling. So if you often travel abroad, you will always need these backup codes whenever there is no internet or you are not using the same mobile device. So then these backup codes will come handy, right? So you can use that in case you travel a lot, and the authenticator app as well. So that was about how you can enable two-step verification for your Gmail account using your mobile device. So yeah, that was all for this video, and if you need more help regarding Gmail, or if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can tell me in the comment section below. Also, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. Will be back soon with my next video.